Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah if you're new. Nice to meet you. Anyway, I'm going to do my makeup. I'm filming a vlog today. I don't know what we're doing because Josh says it's a surprise. We were just trying to decide on somewhere to go. We couldn't decide. So then Josh was all of a sudden like, I know where to go. And I was like, where? And he was like, it's a surprise, I'm not going to tell you. So I don't know where we're going. He said we have to get the blue train line. And that's all he'll tell me. It's quite late. It's 1:45. We watched Game of Thrones this morning. That's what we do every Monday now. I'm a big fan. And I want to get some photos today because I feel like I haven't taken some in a while. Oh, so I'm putting a bit of makeup on. I've just had my smoothie, as you probably saw. And I got this metal straw the other day when I went for breakfast with these two girls I met from Instagram. I think Bella vlogged it, so I will, if she's put it up then I'll link it down below. Anyway, I'll talk to you when my makeup is done and I'm ready. Wow, I look like a ghost. I'll make myself look better for you. And then we'll find out where we're going.
Hey guys, so this is my outfit. I'm wearing Josh's white shirt. I'm wearing my blue Athens top that I got from Byron Bay. I love this top. I'm wearing my blue skirt.
Yeah?
That I got from somewhere in England. I like this skirt, but I need more clothes, so I'm going to try and get those soon. I'm also wearing Josh's socks. I'm really liking wearing longer socks with shoes and like a skirt at the moment and a shirt. I think it just looks really cool and it's really hip. And,
hip?
Yeah, and I look like I mix with all the kids on Instagram.
So anyway, I'm just waiting for Josh to make some food and then we're going to go. I still don't know where. When will I find out?
When we get there, really.
Okay. Dogs. This is the lovers walk. Lover. Hi. I'm so small. So the time is currently nearly 12:15. And me and Josh are moving out of our apartment for like 5 days because our landlord said we just basically need to move out of our apartment for 4 days. I need to pack, but it's very late because I've left packing until now. I have work at 7 AM tomorrow. I need to leave here at like 6. I don't think I'm gonna get a lot of sleep. Ordered some Guzmans because I haven't had dinner. You can really tell I've got my life together right now. I'm gonna start packing my clothes. I hope this is a fun video for you. I don't know if it will be yet. I need to put my life in a suitcase. Great. He's arrived. I'm going to get food. Okay, I think I need to fold these better. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Bought these Subway cookies earlier, but so hard and like burnt. And I'm not on nice. Packing's going great. My food was great. These cookies are gross. I have to wake up in 4 hours. I'm gonna be tired. Tomorrow is actually my last day of work at this place because I've got a new job as a waitress somewhere else, which is closer to where we live and it's better pay. So that's great. It's actually where Josh works, so we'll be working together, although he's on the bar and I'm as a waitress, so won't see him all the time. Kind of sad to leave there kind of not that sad. Thought I'd let you know it's my last day. Oh, also, I love these new trousers I got. They're from Cotton On. I need to wear them a bit more. Just haven't really had anywhere to wear them yet, but I might wear them on Tuesday because I'm going to see Bella, my new friend. So it's just gone 1 o'clock and I'm nearly done packing. So, Josh!
It's great.
Yeah. Don't do that.
You tired?
Yeah. So, sorry about my hair and my voice, I like just woke up. I wanted to carry on this vlog and we're now in our new apartment, but we're only here for like 4 days, so I want to show you around a bit, but we've already been here a day, so it's a bit of a mess, but I'm going to show you a bit of it anyway. This is the view. Our balcony's so much bigger. It's a bit noisy, but look at this amazing view. Yeah, this is our dining table. Sofa was here and the other one was like facing this way, but we watched a film and we wanted to sit next to each other, so we put the sofas together. This is our kitchen. This is the island area. I know there's stuff everywhere. I'm very sorry. This is the spare bed. We've taken the duvet off because we put it on it's our sofa den area. It's got a nice wardrobe. Hello. We've left our suitcase in here just to like save room in the other bedroom. This place has 2 bathrooms, so it's convenient. Like we can shower at the same time and go to the toilet at the same time because there's 2 bathrooms. So, and that's the front door where you walk in. There's a nice desk, and then there's our bedroom. But Josh is still asleep, so I won't show you it. But it's just through there, and it's got an ensuite, so it's quite nice. But yeah, I literally love the view. It's so cool. Anyway, today I am going to see my friend Bella, who I met through Instagram, but we've met up, we've only met up once before actually. I feel like I've met her more than once. But yeah, last time we went out for breakfast and we went to these cool like markets in South Bank. I'm going to hers. I think we're going to order some food. We might film a video, although I don't actually know if we will. We were going to film a girl talk, but I didn't get many questions. So if you guys would like me to film a girl talk, send me some questions on my Instagram. It's always linked down below. I'd like to film one of those videos. So I might just vlog with her today. But I need to start getting ready because I'm going to hers in maybe like a few hours. But we don't have a lot of food in and I'm hungry. So I'm going to try find some food and then get ready, and then we're going to go to Bella's house. It's really good. She lives like right by our old house. Like literally I can see her apartment building from our balcony. So very close. And we're not too far away from our old apartment here. We're like quick train journey. Not too far away. So yes, I'm gonna leave to get to hers in a minute, and I'm gonna find something to eat, have a shower, and get looking a bit nicer. So I'm all ready now. Let me just show you my outfit. So I just got this bodysuit on from Zara. I got it a while ago, so they don't still have it. This skirt is also from Zara, but it's actually from the kids section because I'm very short. And then I've got Josh's socks on, and I'm actually just gonna wear my work shoes because it's my first day in my new job today. I can't remember if I said, but I got a new job. I'm now actually working where Josh works, so that's going to be exciting. And I've had a trial there and we had like a staff meeting kind of thing yesterday, but today is my first actual day and I start at 5:30, so I'm going to be at Bella's for like 3 and a bit hours. That's exciting. I'm trying to like get everything together. They've also given me an apron that's like massive, like it like is really big, so I've tried to like fold it in half and wear it like that, but it's still really big. So I'm going to see if they maybe have a different apron in today, otherwise I might have to like safety pin this one or something. Yeah, we're gonna get food. I think we might get Nando's or something, possibly. So I think I'm gonna go in a minute. She said she'd be back from uni at 2:30, so I've got like 10 minutes and then I'm gonna go. I'm on my way. I've just ordered an Uber and I'm gonna go to Bella's now. My work shoes look so funny with this outfit. This is the like lobby area. Just waiting for the Uber to come out 2 minutes away. So hungry, so I'm excited to get food. I think we're gonna get a Nando's. Can't remember if I said that already. But the Nando's in England is just so much better than the Nando's in Australia. But anyway, I'll talk to you when I'm at Bella's house. Hi guys. I've just started vlogging. We're just at Bella's now and we're gonna order some poke bowls instead of Nando's.
Yeah.
Healthier option.
Exactly. But you get a good amount of food for like
yeah.
what you've decided to get.
I'm excited. I've never had a poke bowl.
Trendy?
I feel like we don't really have them. We probably have them somewhere in like England, but they're just not very, they're not a very popular thing. Your candle smells so nice.
Oh, thanks. I love candles.
So do I.
Because I live with my brother and sometimes the house, like, I don't know, boys just don't care about nice smells as much.
I know.
Like,
when me and Josh like first moved into our apartment, I think like our like curtains really smell of smoke.
ooh.
And I like don't know why. I don't know if like they were like brand new curtains or like the people that lived there before us like smoked in the apartment. But yeah, it like really smelled bad of smoke, so I was like buying all these candles trying to make our apartment smell nice, because I hate it when you walk into someone's apartment and it's like not a very nice smell.
41.75 total.
Alright, I know. So what's that half?
Math.
I'm not very good at maths.
Let me just have a look.
I'll just round it up for you, the extra 3 cents.
Wow, that's so generous. Thank you.
So excited.
Me too. You know the worst, like something has, I'm not good at Uber Eats, so one time I ordered grilled, you know, grilled burgers.
Yeah.
I ordered the grilled, 2 grilled, like
you ordered that
the destination. So the guy picked it up and was like, here you go. And I got a call and like, I think you've done something wrong.
How did you do that?
I don't know.
Because like you have to like just do like your current location.
Yeah, I don't know. Like I'm technologically actually troubled.
That's so funny.
It's so bad.
My hair keeps getting really greasy really quickly. I like washed it yesterday.
No, it looks fine.
I like curled it because I was like, it looks so greasy. I don't know why.
And I love your hair color as well.
Oh really? I hate it.
I like it.
I dyed my hair like blonde like 2 years ago.
Oh.
Yeah, and I didn't really like it, like it didn't suit me.
Oh.
No, and then like now every time I try to dye it back brown, it like just fades because it's like, because I've bleached it.
Right.
So like
No,
I keep just using like dark
nice.
brown hair dye and then like it just fades out.
I am so boring with my hair.
No, you've got
I
these
get
nice
it.
blonde bits.
Yeah, but it's like I'm never brave enough to go like a full-on change. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah, let me show you a picture of when I was blonde. It was literally like,
Oh yeah.
it did not suit me at all. I think because I'm like quite tanned and I've got like really dark eyebrows.
Yeah. Dark features.
Yeah. Yeah, like I feel like you can't really tell.
You look
that.
so young.
Yeah, that was only 2 years ago.
Look at the little baby. Look at your little face.
But then like I literally dyed it back like straight away. See, like it keeps going like I keep dyeing it that dark.
Yeah.
Like I've never dyed it lighter again.
Wow.
And it just goes this
so
light.
it looks like an ombre now though.
Yeah.
So you haven't done that.
No.
Oh my god.
It's good that it's like, it's because like I've got really bad roots and then like the ends are still like from where I've done it blonde.
True. And so your hair's like naturally quite dark.
Yeah, like that's my natural hair colour right at the top.
Yeah.
So like pretty
Yeah, it's
dark.
quite dark.
Yeah.
Your eyebrow colour.
Yeah. Food's arrived. Yeah, I can't do it with one hand. Oh god. We're also now filming a video for Bella's channel, which I'm gonna link it below.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Oh my god, yeah.
Oh my god, yeah, they're
Got the
so
same
much
thing.
bigger.
Yeah, how big?
Yeah.
I usually can't finish a whole one.
I feel like I could, but they look
I
amazing.
say go for it, why not?
Yeah.
Girls gotta eat.
Yeah. Oh my god, it comes with seaweed. I love seaweed.
Yeah, and there's like a little dressing in there as well.
I'm so excited to eat this. But anyway, we're going to film our, we don't even really know what to call it, Q&A mukbang without
Q&A, mukbang, chat and eat with us.
Making our own Q&A. Okay guys, I am now leaving Bella's house. We filmed a video which will be on her channel soon, so I guess when it's up I'll just link it down below.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Might be a while,
but definitely go and check out her channel anyway, and her Instagram, I'll link them both down below.
For having me. Thanks for coming over.
I definitely had a massive double chin then. We're gonna see each other again soon. We think we're gonna do a trip to the Gold Coast or something.
Yes.
So
100%.
you will see more videos with us. But yeah, I've got work now, so
No.
I know I'm so sad about it. My first day.
Oh my god, yeah, good luck.
Yeah, thank you.